Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody. I'm off work, so I'm going to be running a few errands. And don't mind my early face, it's really hot and our AC is not working in the house, so this is really hot. But I just recorded a look, so I think this look should be up, I think after this vlog. Yeah, I'm pretty sure after this vlog. So right now it's about 2 o'clock. I'm about to run to Starbucks, and then I want to be going to Zara because they're having a semi-annual sale, and maybe pick up something from Sephora, and we'll see. I think that's all I have planned for the day, so I'm just going to go ahead and take you guys along with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join and see what's going on with me, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload. So yeah, let's just go ahead. So quickly before we leave, I'm going to do an OOTD. This is a one piece that I got from Amazon, I want to say. I'm a big crazy Amazon fan, if you guys don't know by now. And this kimono right here is also from Amazon. And I have my hair just in a bun. And this bag is from Aldo. Have you guys been listening to the new Beyonce album? I'm going to the concert in August, and I hate that she released an album like literally a month before her tour, but I've been listening to it, trying to, you know, learn it a little bit. And I think my favorite song is Ape Shit and Friends. Yeah, hi. Can I get a venti with light ice, a caramel macchiato with soy?
Caramel macchiato, soy, and light ice, you said?
Yeah, and then I wanted vanilla instead of, raspberry instead of vanilla.
Okay.
And then can I get extra caramel syrup at the bottom?
Extra caramel syrup. You said you wanted that on the bottom.
Yeah, and then can I get the mango dragon fruit refresher?
What size is that?
Grande.
Grande, mango dragon fruit refresher. What else?
And that's it.
Alright, see you in the window for $9.50.
Thank you. Hi. And so this is what I got, and it's pretty much a caramel macchiato with soy, and instead of vanilla I get raspberry because I like the taste, and then I get extra caramel syrup at the bottom. Hey guys, just checking in. It's been about 4 hours. Me and my sister went to the mall and we did way too much damage.
Only at Zara, it wasn't that bad.
And Aldo. I mean, it's 4th of July sale though, like what do you really expect?
Could have let me put my lip gloss on before you
Okay, fine, go ahead. Put your
It's
lip
too late,
gloss.
I already made it through your appearance.
I will clip that part out, I'll put you in the new one. Okay, and then I'll be like before and after for the lip gloss.
And I don't have earrings on. You're really setting me up for failure.
Listen, you knew I was vlogging today.
No, I didn't.
You weren't in all the other clips, but anyway.
I did not know.
This is the problem when other people are in the vlog, because it's like, oh, I didn't look nice, I didn't do that. Listen, I have the right. You already gave it to me.
When?
I have been trying to convince on the other hand, I've been trying to convince my sister for the last 3 weeks.
To do what?
To do this video for my YouTube page, but
I'm not even gonna lie, it's been more than 3 weeks.
Tell them how long it's been.
Like a couple of months now.
Exactly.
It's not my fault though.
She goes to school full time and
works,
and you know, she's got my little nephew. So we're gonna try to get it done probably I think this weekend or something. So we'll see. I think it's gonna be fun, inshallah. Anyway, so now we are about to head home and relax for a little bit, and I think we're gonna try to go to the fireworks tonight, so that should be fun. So I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We're actually not gonna be able to make it to the fireworks because I'm so tired, and it doesn't start till 10 o'clock tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Until next time.